Give me children.
Quarter.
2 children. And
I love you.
Do they mind having 2 dads?
equals
I love you.
this times this. That means I'm spending 30 there, 30 there. Add that up.
I don't want to have my picture taken.
Okay, now,
I'm not taking a picture.
2 adults.
Hey, Dylan.
I love you.
You're a wiener.
You're a wiener.
For night.
And 30.
Oh my God. Austin. I love you. Austin. Austin. Austin.
What?
Love you. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful.
I know, right?
I'm gonna put a bird over top of that and be like, bird is a word.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm gonna make a song and have you sing it.
That tells us to transfer line.
I'm sorry, what was that again?
Back over to my budget guideline. So my budget guideline.
Alright, I'm once per period. So I gotta find you next period and then see you do it again.
Or that possibly.
And then at lunch.
I just calculate.
Does that count as a period?
That's fine.
It's okay. 4th period doesn't count in my book because we just sit there.
So that's what I just
Booga booga
calculated.
booga 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 booga.
Oh, I'm not going to do it. No.
Booga 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 booga.
What is that?
Scary monster.
Oh man.
Okay, wait, hold on.